1. Familiarize yourself with the different parts of the vehicle and their functions. 1. This includes the gas pedal, brake pedal, steering wheel, gear shift, and buttons on the dashboard. 2. Adjust your seat and mirrors to ensure a comfortable and proper driving position. 3. Learn how to start the engine. 3. It's usually done by pressing a button or turning a key. 4. Locate the gear shift and understand the different gear positions. 4. Most vehicles have P for park, R for reverse, N for neutral, and D for drive. 5. Check the parking brake to make sure it is off before shifting into gear. 6. Start driving by gently pressing on the gas pedal to accelerate. 6. Keep an eye on the speedometer to stay within the speed limit. 7. Use the brake pedal to slow down or stop the vehicle when necessary. 8. Use the steering wheel to guide the vehicle in the desired direction. 9. Keep an eye on traffic signals, road signs, and other drivers on the road to be aware of the traffic laws and regulations. 10. Always pay attention while driving and practice safe driving habits, such as using seat belts, avoiding distractions, and obeying traffic laws and regulations. Please keep in mind that the above steps are just a general guide and the actual process may vary depending on the vehicle type, make and model. Make sure to carefully read the vehicle manual and consult with an experienced driver or instructor before starting to drive.